Guys, today I'm going to show you how to properly export the 3D model as dot object and its texture separately for some popular game engines like Buildbox 3D. So here you can see Buildbox 3D. This tutorial I will use Cinema 4D. Is a popular tool for 3D modeling. So first we need to open it and just we need a shape, so you can use a cube, but I will use like this platonic one. It's a pretty cool shape. So second we need to do is to create a material. So if you can see this free space at the bottom, just double click it and the new material will be created, and then just double click this material and pick your color just like this, and then just drag and drop this color, this material onto your shape. So now, as you can see, the shape has the color. Now we need the light, because it's important to make our object look better. So just click here and click this, like press here and then click physical sky. So as you can see, we now have some light, and all we need to do to export this object with its texture, so with its material, is to click this platonic here, or cube if you created a cube, and click objects, bake object. So in this menu you need to choose the path where you want to save your texture. So I will use desktop, open, and I will use this 2024 by 2024. You can use a different resolution. So it is important to check this illuminate and single texture, so to allow the texture to have light and to make it a single texture. So now just click bake. And as you can see, now the Cinema 4D is baking an object for you. So we can see, like now, this shape with light, with these polygons. Okay, now it's finished. Just click close. And as you can see, these red dots, this is our shape, and as you can see, it's disabled, because these red dots indicate that the object is disabled. So it's cool because we need this one, so it's a generated one. As you can see, the new material was created, and this material is our texture. So if you hide your Cinema 4D and open this, you can see this texture. We will need it. So now to export a model, so like object, you need to select this and just like click File, Export, and click this wavefront object. So just give it a pretty cool name, like my object, and click Save. I will use the scale in millimeters and export no material, because we actually don't need it, because we have a texture, and just click OK. So as you can see, we have a texture, a texture and an object, so a 3D model. Now let's open our Buildbox, so your game engine, and all we need to do is to drag and drop this object. So as you can see, here is our object, and also we need a texture, because it's white, it's not pretty cool. So we need to like select this object, and here you can see texture field, and drag and drop texture here. So now As you can see, we have our object here with a texture which you can scale, move, or use it in your games. So it's pretty cool. Uh, Guys, thanks for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you, and subscribe to the channel.